turned his back on you. It's a failure to launch on your part. It's a failure to stay in your lane. But you already know that. I'm not telling you something you don't already know. And I'm not rubbing the shit in your face. All I'm doing is reminding you what you already know. And for those of you thinking about it, you're gonna fuck around and wait until you're looking at the fucking barrel of a gun with a dumbass, a narcissist, on the trigger. Some of you were blessed with multiple escapes, and this Hoover may be your last.